Hello guys, welcome to IT Cyber Cafe. So today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to apply online at Coastal KZN Tvet College. So first thing you're gonna do guys, you're gonna open your internet browser or Google or Chrome, and then when you get there guys, you're gonna open a searching tab, and then you're gonna type Coastal Student Portal. As you can see on my screen guys, Coastal Student Portal, and then after that you search. And then here we are guys, as you can see on my screen. Remember, now I'm here to submit a new application, so you're gonna avoid the first link of self-enable, and then you're gonna click the second one of Coastal KZN Tvet College. That's the link that you're gonna click, Coastal KZN Tvet College. That's where you're gonna click guys. You don't click the first one, you click the second one so that it can take you to the Coastal Tvet College website. And then you see, as you can see guys on my screen, this is Coastal KZN College website, Coastal KZN College website. So you just scroll down, and then you see guys, application for new students. That's where you're gonna click guys, application for new students. You're gonna click apply here, where it's written apply here. That's where you're gonna click, because we are here to submit an application for new applicant. So you're gonna click there. Don't click the second one guys, click the first one, and then here we are. So as you can see guys, on our left side we are having apply here. You're gonna click the apply here to continue with your application. And then you see on our right side, if maybe you already have a student number and the pin, that's when you're gonna enter your student number and the pin, and then you log in. But then now we're gonna click apply here, and then you see, and now guys, they have given me the form. So on this form guys, I'm gonna be filling my personal details. On this form guys, you're gonna be filling your personal details, and then you make sure that where there's a register is compulsory guys. So where there's a register, you make sure you don't pass, you fill everything. And then again, as you can see on, let's see, yeah, you fill everywhere. And then you can see guys, on ID number there is no register, but then that one is compulsory, so you make sure that you enter your ID. Even though there's no register, that one is compulsory guys. So and then everywhere where there's a register, you fill, and then you enter your ID. And then the rest where there's no register, you can just pass, because it's not compulsory. But then the ID, you make sure that you enter your ID. Then when you are done guys, you're gonna click save. You see there's a save there down, you click that save, and then here we are guys. So here as you can see, on top there is your student number, and then now you set your pin, and then your pin should be 5 numerical digit. So you make sure don't put 0 on the pin guys. And then after that you click create pin. You see there's a create pin, you're gonna click create pin, but make sure that you write down your student number there on top, so that you can come back and log in. Because most of you guys, you say you didn't get the student number, and then your student number is there. You can, as you can see now guys, where I'm putting my cursor, this is your student number. You make sure that you write it down, so that if maybe you forgot anything, you'll be easy for you to log in. And then after you click create pin, and then yeah, here we are guys, here we are. Now we are inside, so I'm gonna take you through everything. You're gonna click Bobby Act. First you click Bobby Act, so I'm gonna take you through the whole application guys. And then once you have clicked on Bobby Act, now you're gonna click I accept, and then you click accept. And then yeah, here we are guys, here we are. So now you're gonna start by filling address, information, contact. So yeah, you click that show update address details, and then here we are, new account, and then you click the searching engine, And then now guys, here we are, and then you put the next of kin address. So the address guys is gonna be the same, and then as you can see, they're gonna give you like 3 addresses which is you must fill, and then you fill all of those addresses, and then you make sure that all these addresses, they're the same. It's gonna be next of kin address, physical address, and postal address. And unfortunately here on my screen they don't show, but then they're gonna appear, and then you make sure that you fill all of them before you can continue to the next step. So you just fill them and then you'll be fine. After filling, you click save, remember. And then now guys, you can see there's a 3 address there, and then now I'm adding the 4th one, so it means there's a 4 address which is you must add before you can continue. And then you see guys, and then return to application, and then as you can see now, contact person information, now that's where you are going, and then update contact person, and then you click the searching engine there. Then after the options appear, you select, and then you put the name, and then after then you put the name of the person, and then you save. And then now guys, you see there is a contact details incomplete. Before it was not there, but then now it's there, and then that's where you're gonna click the contact details incomplete. Then now you put the contact details. So on the contact details guys, you're gonna put the cell number, and then after putting the cell number, you go again, you put the email. Those are the 2 things that you must put. And then you see now I'm putting the email. Mind you guys, here they don't show you like the options because it's a screen recorder, but then you're gonna see the options on your side. And then after you click return to contact person, and then you see now guys, there's no longer contact details incomplete, so you click return to the application process. So you see everything is done. Now you are going to disability, you click the show under disability, view disability, you click the box there, then the disabilities they're gonna appear, and then there's gonna be none, you click none. If you have none, you have none disability. And then after then you click return to the application. And then now guys, you go to the school living subject, you click the show under school living subject, then you click view updates. And then as you can see guys, now they have given me 3 boxes, and then you know the subject should be like 7, right? So you just click the searching engine, you select the subject, and then you're gonna see guys on my screen, I'm gonna be doing exactly that. Once you click the search engine, they show the subject, you choose the subject according to your school results. First you start by putting the subject. You see now I'm given 3 boxes, right? Don't be surprised guys, I'm gonna show you how the other boxes will appear. Just watch my video carefully, don't be surprised guys. Unfortunately they don't show you the subject the way I'm choosing them, but then they appear. So after then guys, you're gonna put the grade. You put the grade. The grade guys is the levels, it's the same as the level. You put the grade. So yeah, now guys, I'm gonna click the save so that I show you something, the error. So yeah, you see now guys, it's written an error, right? Reason being is because now I didn't enter the symbol final level, so I must enter the levels on this side again, so that when I click it doesn't show me the error. But then if you just enter the grade only, obviously it's gonna show you the errors. It's gonna write like this, so you're gonna be confused guys. So make sure that you put the grade, and then after putting the grade, you go and you put the symbol final pre-final year. It's still the same, the levels guys, it's the same thing. And then after then, that's when you can go and click save. That's when you can go after click save. So it's the same thing guys, we click save, and then now you see it's fine now. And then they have given me the 4th box where I can put the 4th subject. So you make sure you put the grade, you put the symbol pre-final year, and then after then they give me the 4th box. I'm gonna choose the 4th subject, And then after choosing the fourth subject, I'm gonna put the grade. After putting the grade, I'm gonna put the sample pre-final year. This is how, guys, you enter the school living subjects. First, you are being given 3 boxes, and then after being given 3 boxes, you put the 3 subjects, you put the grade, you put the sample level. Then after putting the sample level, you click save. And then after clicking save, they give you the 4th box, and then the 4th box, you choose the subject. Then after choosing the subject, you put the grade, and then after putting the grade, you put the sample pre-final year. It's the same, so it means on your grade and then on your pre-sample, it's gonna be the same thing. It's gonna be the same level, so don't get confused, guys, how you gonna get the 4th box. So this is how you get the 4th box, and then it's the same way you're gonna get the 5th box, and then the 6th box, the 7th box, and then you click save. Then after clicking save, now you see they've given me the 5th box, so I'm still gonna do the same procedure. You choose the subject, you put the grade, you put the sample, and then you click save. So this is how, guys, we add subject at Coastal College. So the first one I was just showing you guys, because most of you, I realized you face that error whereby you just put the grade, and then after putting the grade, you click save, and then you be surprised when there is an error. So I was showing you what to do if you find yourself in that error. So it's the error that obviously it's just showing you like you didn't do something right. So yeah, you see now, guys, I've been given the 6th box, so I'm gonna add the 6th subject. So the process is the same, guys. Unfortunately, they don't show you the subject on my screen recorder, but then the subject, they appear, and then you just choose the subject that appears. What you do, you just click the searching engine, the subject appear, you choose the subject, you click the search engine on the grade, the levels, they're gonna appear, you choose the level, you go again, you click the searching engine on the samples, and then the samples will appear, you click the level. It's the same. You don't type anything, guys, on the grade, on the subject. You don't type a subject, you don't type a level, you don't type a sample. You just click the search box. That's what you do. The search engine, guys, I'm talking about that thing. You see that thing where like it's a microscope, it's a search engine. You click that search engine, then you see, guys, now I'm entering my 7th subject. Then after entering the 7th subject, then I'm gonna click save, and then you see, guys, once you click save, they calculate the APS for you. You see now I'm clicking save, and then you see now I'm done. You see these are my 7 subjects. So yeah, I'm done, guys, entering 7 subjects, and then you can see total rating. So you see that 44 is my APS, so they add all the levels and then they give them the APS after you click save. And then after that, you click return to application, and then you see now, guys, the school is fine. And then there's a previous study. If maybe you studied at another college before university, you're gonna click that show, you click view update, and then you're gonna enter your previous qualifications. But then if you never studied anywhere, then you're gonna skip this one. If maybe you didn't start anywhere, and then you're gonna go to upload documents. You click the show under upload documents, and then in this side, guys, is where you're gonna be uploading documents. So if you click the academic application, you see now it's gray. It doesn't allow me to choose courses, right? It's because I didn't upload the documents. The box of document is still incomplete, so I must start by uploading documents before I can go to academics. So now you see, guys, they want an ID copy, and then they want a previous report certificate. So those are the 2 documents that are needed, guys, in Coastal Tvet College. So I'm gonna start by uploading the ID. So you're gonna click on load view document. This is where you're gonna click, guys, so that you upload the document. You're gonna click on load view document, and then after clicking there, it's gonna take you to your files where you saved your documents. Then once you are in your files, you go to where you saved your documents, and then you go and select the document. Unfortunately on my screen, guys, they don't show me selecting it, but then yeah, now I'm busy selecting the document. And then once I've done selecting the documents, you're gonna see on my screen that I've done selecting the document. And then yeah, now you guys, you see it's written yes on the certified ID, and then before it was no. So now guys, I'm gonna be uploading my previous results. And remember guys, on the previous results, you can upload your grade 9, you can upload your grade 10, you can upload your grade 11, you can upload your grade 12. Your grade 12, you can upload the statement, you can upload the matric certificate. So don't get confused guys, where you upload your grade 9, where you upload your grade 10, where you upload your grade 11, where you upload your statement, or where you upload your matric. It's one and the same thing guys, because remember, in college you are allowed to apply with grade 9, you are allowed to apply with grade 10, you are allowed to apply with grade 11, we are also allowed to apply with grade 12. And then matric is the same as the statement. So yeah, if you are having statement, you upload the statement. If you are having matric certificate, you upload the matric certificate, as long as the document that you upload guys is a copy and then is certified. So you make sure you upload a copy that is certified. We don't upload originals. Once you upload original, you are doing things incorrect. But then when you upload a copy which is certified less than 3 months, then you are uploading correct documents. So yeah, now guys, I'm busy uploading my school results. So when I'm done, you're gonna see at the end it's gonna change from no to yes. It means now I'll be done uploading my school result. And then yeah, you see now guys, it's yes, yes, yes. So it means I'm done uploading necessary documents. So when you are done guys, now you're gonna go and then click return to the application process. That's where you're gonna click. And then yeah, now guys, let's click show under academic application. You see now add new application is allowed. Now it's in black. I'm being allowed now to click there and then add the course. And then before I was not allowed. As you can see, it was gray, so it's not allowed. So now I'm allowed guys. So now I'm gonna click here. You're gonna put A after I'm searching. The reason why I'm putting A guys is so that it can show all the available courses. So yeah, don't be surprised after you click search. So yeah, here guys, here are the available courses. As you can see, we are having Faculty of Business, Faculty of Engineering, Faculty of Educational Program, Faculty of Service, Faculty of Occupational Program. So mind you guys, native courses for business are phased out, right? The courses that are still remaining in colleges, they've changed native business to occupational program. So occupational program are for people with matric, right? And then again, we still have N4 for engineering courses. Those are also for people with matric, but then normally they require maths and science. And then we are having courses like level 2 national senior certificate. Those are for people with grade 9, 10, 11. So for me, since now I'm applying with matric, I'm gonna choose courses under occupational program. And then academic preference guys, it simply means this choice is gonna be your first choice or a second choice or a third choice. So don't be surprised. After then guys, you click email details. The reason why I'm clicking email details, so that they can send me confirmation of the course. After you send, you click accept, and then you go again, you click A, and then you click search. And as I said guys, I'm gonna be focusing on occupational programs since I have matric, and then I didn't do sciences. I did general courses. So obviously, if you did sciences, then you can apply for N4 under engineering. Because sometimes if you apply for NCV when you are having matric, you're gonna be rejected. The reason being is not it's not because you don't qualify, it's because you over qualify for the course. It's like now you are downgrading from grade 12 to grade 9 courses. So obviously if you choose occupational guys is a year certificate. Let's say for example I'm choosing computer. It means after a year I'm gonna receive a certificate for a computer which I can use to apply for a job. So yeah, this is how guys you apply. Already now I have added 3 choices. Let me just add the 4th choice so that you can see what is gonna write there, because this college is only allowing 3 choices. So let me just try to add the 4th choice so that you can see on your own what is gonna write, so that when you experience this thing you don't get surprised guys, because you are here to learn, right? So you are here to learn. Let's see, accept application. You see guys, now is written you are only allowed to apply for 3 application for this year. So yeah, you are only allowed to choose 3 choices: choice 1, choice 2, choice 3. That's it. Then now guys I'm gonna click OK, but then I just wanted to show you this thing. So yeah, now guys it means I'm done. I'm gonna click on academic admission status. So now guys I'm gonna let me just show you here. You see everything here guys now is done. Let me go to resistant application, and then I'm clicking resistant application. You see now guys I'm forbidden. Reason being is because you cannot apply resistance if you are not yet accepted, and then resistant is gonna open after registration. So yeah, this is the procedure. So let me go to academic admission status so that I can see my courses. So you see guys, here is the courses I applied for, the 3 courses I applied for, and then you see now is still application without status. Reason being is because I just applied now obviously, but then where is written application without status is where your status is gonna write whether rejected or accepted. Don't forget to subscribe guys. Let's hit the subscribe button, share and comment. Let's subscribe guys.